Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create tasks from email in Asana, a life-changing skill for managing your workflow efficiently. To start, open your email client, be it Gmail, Outlook, or anything else. Now craft an email to x@mail.asana.com. This is Asana's universal task creation email. The reason we do this is to convert your email into a task directly within Asana, saving you the time and effort of manual input. Next up, in the subject line, write the name of the task you want to create. This is the title your task will bear in Asana, so make sure it's descriptive and concise. This helps us because when we look at the task in Asana, we instantly know what it is about. Now that we've done that, in the body of the email, write the details of your task. These details will show up as the task description in Asana. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is using the body of your email to generate a brief, structured description of your task, making it easier for you and your team to understand the task at a glance. Moving on, if you want to assign this task to a specific project, just add the project email address in the To field. The reason we do this is to ensure that the task lands in the correct project, keeping your workspace organized and your team informed. Finally, hit send, and your task is created in Asana, ready for you or your team to tackle. Let me explain why this matters. Creating tasks from emails in Asana allows you to streamline your workflow, eliminating the need to switch between applications constantly. And that's it. You've now mastered how to create tasks from email in Asana. With this simple but powerful tool, you can keep your projects organized and your productivity high. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy tasking.